If you're new to Ubuntu, installing apps might feel unfamiliar, but it's actually simple and flexible. In this video, we'll walk you through both the graphical user interface, GUI, and the terminal methods for installing applications on Ubuntu. Let's start with the easiest one, using the Ubuntu Software Center. It's similar to an app store on your phone. Just open it from the dock, search for any app, like Firefox, VLC, or GIMP, and click Install. That's it. No commands needed, and you get regular updates automatically. Now, for those who prefer power and speed, let's dive into the terminal. Ubuntu supports apt, the advanced package tool. Simply open the terminal and type sudo apt install appname, replacing appname with your desired application like VLC or GIMP. It will ask for your password and download everything it needs. You can also update apps using sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. Want even more flexibility? Ubuntu also supports deb files, which are like exe files for Linux. Just download a deb package and open it with software install, or use the terminal with sudo dpkg, filename deb. Lastly, for developers or power users, Ubuntu lets you install apps using Snap or Flatpak, which are universal package formats. These allow for more secure and isolated app environments. For example, you can install Snap apps with just sudo snap install appname. With these methods, GUI or terminal, installing apps on Ubuntu is easy, efficient, and entirely under your control. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Linux tips. For full commands and examples, check out the blog post. The link's in the description.